In this video we'll learn about count method. So it returns the number of occurrences of the substring in a string. Okay, so it takes three parameters: start and stop. So the substring to be found is the first parameter. So let me make a string variable and let me store a string nothing less than excellence. So let's see the substring E. Okay, and let me put here string dot, and then let's make a count variable and put it inside it. Let's print the count of E. Okay. So you can see E is there 5 times. So similarly we can put the index also, so it will search from an index. Let's take the start index as 8, so it will search from 8, so it is saying 5, and let's take from 8 to 20, so here it is giving the output as 2. So let's take another string. We love Python programming. And then we'll found some occurrences. Let's say we'll see the occurrence of string dot count of O. So you can see there are 3 O's in this string. So let's take it from 5. So it is saying now 2. Similarly, let's take T. So T is not there, so it is there in Python. So let's take from 5 to 7. So here it is giving the output as 0.